Hey guys, how you doing today? This is Brett, and I just wanted to, I know you've seen emails. Typically they're called autoresponders, or you send out a blast through your email marketing program, which I use Aweber. That's kind of what I recommend. There's a few others out there, but I'm going to essentially show you how to send out an email blast through Aweber, and then there's just a little trick at the end that I'll show you too, where you can send out to more of your social media. So anyway, go into if you don't have Aweber, you can sign up with at aweber.com. I'll provide a link. And then also, when you get into your back office, if you have Aweber, go to Messages, and you go to Broadcast. And the list is over here, whichever list you want to send it out to. I'm going to send it out to my blog list. So you go over to, I'll show you, there's a few things that I have over here, but anyway, we'll choose blog. That's the list I want to send my email broadcast to. Go to broadcast, hit this, and then this will show up. It'll say create a new broadcast message. So you go ahead and hit that. And then you will see this screen here. This is where you create your message, your subject. What I usually do is over here in Google Docs, sorry about that, over here in Google Docs, I usually do all mine in Google Docs, and then just copy and paste over here once I get it done. And I just did a Control-C. We did that fast. I just highlighted everything, did a Control-C, which is copy. Go back to Aweber, and then hit Control-V, and it pastes it in there. Insert your subject line. I am going to pick this right here as my subject. Again, Control-C, and I'll put this in here. Now the personalize, that if I choose that one, and that'll actually put their name. If you're actually sending this to your list, so it'll put their name in there, and then I just copy and paste my subject that I just pulled from here, and I'll go ahead and make the first letter in each of these capital. I'm not going to do that now for time, but I make the first letter in each word capitalized. And then you have everything here. Make sure all your links are good. Make sure it's spelled correctly. Make sure everything's good as far as grammar, what you want to say. Check all that before you send it out. And down here, you can send it right now, or if you hit send later, you can pick your time when you want to send it out. Let's go ahead and keep it there. And you can set the time. Also right here, segment, and you can this is another option. Like if you just have like let's just say 10 people subscribed yesterday, and you want to send a blast welcoming, hey, thanks for signing up to my blog, and want to welcome you, whatever your little deal is, go ahead and send that out. But this is where you would do that. Or you can see what you can do here. You can send a list and break it down to any one of these options, or just do all subscribers, which is I'm going to do. If you have multiple lists and you want to get this out to multiple lists, this is where you'd click. You could click that all, and you can see the lists. You can do that there. Actually, I'm going to. And then track clicks, you want that on your social media. Yes, I'm going to send this out to Twitter. I have my fan page I'm going to send it to. Now if you'll notice, there's Facebook in here too. I send my fan page, but if you look right here, this direct link right here, if you copy this, then you can use that link, and I'll show you in another video how to utilize this link in sending it through your other social media. So anyway, hit save message. That saves it, and look for the next video, and we'll finish up. Thanks. Bye-bye.